Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to add BBC iPlayer to your Google TV so you can stream your favorite BBC shows, documentaries, and live TV directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you can browse and download all available apps for your Google TV. Step 3. Select Search for Apps and type BBC iPlayer using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official BBC iPlayer app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Install to download BBC iPlayer to your Google TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your home screen. You will see the BBC iPlayer icon among your apps. Step 7. Open the BBC iPlayer app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your BBC account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you can browse live channels, catch-up shows, documentaries, and exclusive BBC content. BBC iPlayer also allows you to save your favorite shows for quick access later. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the BBC iPlayer app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can open it quickly. That's it. BBC iPlayer is now installed on your Google TV, and you're ready to enjoy a wide range of BBC content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.